Good day, everybody. How are you doing? I know it's been a while since I've posted a video. So here I am, posting a video. So here's a bunch of clips that I've recorded in the last few months on the Trans-Canada Highway in between Calgary and Vancouver. I'm going to do something different, and I'm going to explain the clips as they happen. Hopefully you enjoy, and let's get into the clips. So in this clip, it's hard to see, but the second truck coming at you is actually running that small car onto the shoulder, and he had to brake hard. Now in this clip, I'm leaving the Clapperton brake check, and wait for it. Oh, a brake check runner. Gotta love these guys. Makes you feel real safe on the highway. Just a little swervy through traffic on his motorcycle. Nothing to see here. Now this guy sees the signs that says that the lane is ending because they're doing construction outside of Revelstoke here. But the other guys don't let him in. It takes 2 seconds to slow down and let the guy in, and this second truck is absolutely amazing.
Oh, you're all fucking idiots.
Good job there, driver. Yeah. Good job.
Oh, what an awesome parking spot.
Just another wonderful parking job.
RTA.
Yep. Nothing to see here. So on this clip, when you come down the hill here on Donald, this sign says all trucks keep left. So I'm keeping left. Now, you can't see it, but there's a guy behind me flashing his lights at me to move over. And I'm doing what the signs tell me because I'm over the vehicle weights. So that's the first sign. Now when we get up to this corner here, to come over the second bridge. Oh, wait a minute, there's the car that was behind me. And he passes me and slams on his brakes. So now, here's the second sign. There's a third sign saying trucks keep left. Now there's a gravel truck coming out. There's a fourth sign, and a fifth sign, and a sixth sign. There's a seventh sign coming up. So, yeah. Who's in the wrong? Me or him? Leave your opinion down below in the comments.
There's a big old sign that says, "Way in motion. All trucks stay in left lane."
But I guarantee you they're gonna try.
And just another truck deciding to take a break on the side of the road. He might have to get a little lift out of the ditch.
But that's what they're trying to do. They also see a split within MAGA when it comes
Yep,
to
this
foreign intervention.
very common scene in BC.
They're going to try to exploit that. But here's the good news. Here's the good news. I'm talking about. You guys get it.
Now, this guy is coming in, so there's a spot. He takes it and wants to go to that lane right away and almost hits that minivan there. Yeah. Check your mirrors. Shoulder check for best results.
Last chance to get out.
This guy was coming down the hill at Hurling Island and must have been raining a bit. Lost a bit of control. Had a little jackknife.
She probably smelled it off him.
This is a very common corner for accidents.
We go at them. What?
Mm-hmm.
Follow me, she said as she led him to the front dump truck. She reached up, opened the door, and gestured
This one's grand. I get this so many times, and people just don't think,
Yeah,
oh, let's change
good job.
to take the off-ramp. There was actually nobody behind me.
Smile.
He could have waited.
Dog tongue didn't answer. Gonna let them
This guy here,
Dog tongue whipped the
I
end
sat
of
there
his
for
claw
5
off.
minutes waiting for
Dog
traffic to
silent.
clear.
Gus
And
screamed
I
and
thought
set up.
they were waiting to get unloaded, but apparently
Spinning the prong around and
he
holding
broke
his
his
dog
truck.
on. The dog tongue forgot about the nuisance at his feet, one whom he planned to cut into pieces
Hey,
very
it
slowly.
happens.
The dog tongue focused
Don't know
on
how
the
he did it,
bunkhouse
but it
doors.
happened.
His followers stood ready on either side.
Now I'm leaving. You just saw the front end of a car making a left-hand turn, and oh, he turned into my lane. Great job. I have to swing wide so that I don't tag cars that are turning on the 2-lane turn lane. Oh, this one here. Yes, this one here. I have to slow down because this guy in front of me is going slower than the flow of traffic, and I'm waiting for traffic to go past because that's what I do. I like to let cars go past before I make a move. That way I'm not blocking people. And so I'm speeding back up. And oh, he's speeding up too. Like, why? You were doing 90. Now we're going way faster than 90. Why do you want? Why? Why? Just why? Don't make sense.
We gotta catch these guys and throw them in jail. They just do.
Oh, this guy here.
They go in there, they start loading up.
Yeah, he's
loading
kinda
up, loading up. And you know what's ironic?
way out. Whoa, driver. That was a little close to the edge of the road.
But I have confidence they're gonna
Yeah, maybe you should take a nap.
and the judges have to
Might
keep
be
these
helpful.
guys in bail.
So I think the police spokesperson here is accurate
Yep.
when they call this brazen, and unfortunately,
And now he's over the center line.
more common. Almost every week. you see
And yeah,
coming out of
I think somebody's getting a little tired here.
mall or grocery store and stuffing their bags full of valuable items, presumably for resale.
This is very common. So yeah, I'm gonna make my move.
You know, whether they're coordinated.
He's still kinda, oh, okay, he's moving over. I don't get it, but this is a common occurrence. And here we are, double solid passing. Yeah, that's legal. Nothing to see here. I don't know what your hurry is because I haven't changed my speed, and I'm gonna catch you up here anyway because, well, there's more vehicles. This is coming into Calgary just off of Highway 1 on Stony Trail, and backed up. I guess somebody probably hydroplaned. Get past the fire trucks here. And there he is. Somebody had a little fun in the rain and messed their car up. Anyway, that's all I've got. Hopefully everybody's having a good one. And maybe I'll do some more videos like this.
Volkswagen guy.
Hopefully everyone's doing good. Cheers.